Welcome to English class. So today we're gonna learn parts of speech. Noun. Noun is nothing but naming word, or it is a word used as the name of a person, place, animal, thing, feeling and idea. So let us see here examples. Renu is a good girl. So I have underlined here Renu and a girl because it is a name. Then comes Akbar was a great king. Here Akbar and king are nouns. Then she is a doctor. Doctor is also a noun, so I have underlined. As you play the game called name plus animal thing, so that is nothing but your noun. So here name he has given as Alex, Tarun, Ria, Max, Albert. Place, any place you can say Australia, London, Telangana, Pune, Delhi. Animal, fox, tiger, lion, kangaroo, hen. Thing, book, pen, chair, duster, chalk, etc. You can write as much names as you can. Now let us come for the 5 kinds of nouns. So noun consists of 5 kinds. What are they? They are nothing but proper noun, common noun, collective noun, material noun and abstract noun. In short, you can say it as subsma. Now let us see each and every noun in detail. Come for the first, proper noun. What does it mean? Proper noun is nothing but it is having a special names. So the names of a particular persons, places, animals, things. So these are called as proper nouns and it always begins with a capital letter. Suppose I have written here some of the examples for persons. Persons are nothing but Mother Teresa, MS Dhoni, Amitabh Bachchan, Aishwarya Rai, Sachin Tendulkar. As much person names you can write, no problem. Then comes places, animals, things. Things here nothing but sneaker. Sneaker is nothing but name of a chocolate. So chocolate it comes under sneaker. So no problem, it comes under things. Then comes Samsung mobile phones. It is nothing but a thing. Okay. Next comes Tales of Cinderella. Is nothing but a book. Book is kind of a thing. Yes. So that comes under proper noun. Then days and months. Then rivers, monuments, etc. Next comes the example for proper noun. Dr. Radhakrishnan was a great educationist. Here I have underlined Radhakrishnan because it is the name of a person and it is started with a capital letter. So it comes under proper noun. Then we are having a birthday party on Sunday. Sunday is nothing but particular day he has mentioned. So that's why it is a proper noun. Then comes I'm going to Delhi this summer. Here Delhi is the capital city of India and name which state it is, Delhi. So that's why we are writing in a capital letter. And here summer is nothing but one type of season he has mentioned, particular season he has mentioned, so that's why we are writing here proper noun. Then comes Mr. Max waited for the bell to ring. Here Mr. Max is nothing but a person name and it started with a capital letter, so that's why it comes under proper noun. Next, common noun. It's a general name we can call it as, or it denotes common nouns to every person, place, or things of the same kind. Okay, so persons here, common persons such as man, boy, girl, woman, man, etc. In the same way, places. Places, they have not mentioned a particular city or a school name, just that they have mentioned city, school, playground, etc. Then comes things, box, car, chair, pen, boat, etc. Here they have not mentioned a particular car name, so we cannot say it is a common proper noun. Car is common noun. In the same way, professionals as well as animals. Then comes for the example, London is the capital of England. Capital, here it comes common noun. There are few students in the class today. So I have underlined student as a common noun. He is not mentioning here particular student name. He said just student. So we are underlining it. Then comes the hunter trapped some birds in his net. So here birds are also common noun. Then comes the ground is green. Which ground? He has not mentioned a particular ground name. So just he said ground. So we have underlined for that. Then comes collective nouns. Collective nouns are the words used to name collections or group of persons, places and things. Suppose example, bunch, flock, loaf, crowd, swarm, etc. So here are the examples. The cows were grazing in herds. Herds is nothing but it is related to a group of cows. So that's why we are underlining here herds. The bunch of keys is missing. So here bunch is collective noun. Then a dynasty of kings. Dynasty is also related to the group of kings. In the same way the rest too. Then comes for the material nouns. Material nouns is nothing but the things which are made of materials or substance. Let us see the examples now. Silver, gold, iron, cotton, rain, etc. So these are made up of something or a substance. See the example. We cannot live without air and water. Air is made up of some gases, right? So it is made up of gases. So that's why it is called as material noun. In the same way, the rest too. Then comes abstract nouns. Abstract nouns are nothing but it is the name of ideas, feelings, qualities, actions or states which can neither be seen nor touched. Now let's see some examples such as honesty, grief, wisdom, pleasure, etc. These are unseen and untouchable. Yes, so that's why it is called as abstract nouns. See here the example, first one. There should not be any noise in the class. So I have underlined noise. Then comes we watch movies for fun. So here fun is nothing but an abstract noun. Now let us go for the number of nouns. So nouns can be countable or uncountable. As you can see in a picture that countable noun, again it consists of two types. What are those? That is singular noun, singular countable noun and plural. Okay, so uncountable doesn't exist anything. Now let us come for the countable nouns. These nouns which can be counted are called countable nouns. For example, house, page, piano, cow, soldier, etc. Here pages. Let us take the example for pages. Pages we can count as many as possible, right? Houses also we can count. Cows also we can count. So that's why it is under countable noun. Here there are 2 hairs in my coffee. How many hairs it was there in a coffee? 2 hairs. So that's why I have underlined for hairs. The next one, both the armies were ready for battle. Both the armies. Armies also we can count because he has already mentioned as both the armies. Only 2 armies were there. So that's why I have underlined armies. Now countable noun consists of singular noun and plural noun. Let us go for the singular noun. In singular noun, it consists only one in a number. So that's why it is called as singular nouns. Suppose example, boy, chicken, book, story, etc. Then comes plural nouns. Plural nouns nothing but more than one in number is called as plural nouns. Suppose example, pages, many pages, right? Foxes, doctors, movies, armies, etc. So that was a plural noun. Now come for the uncountable nouns. Uncountable nouns is nothing but which we cannot count. So example, air, water, ground, data, love, etc. These are uncountable. Let us see the examples. There was no sugar in the pot. Sugar we cannot count. Yes. Then comes I keep my hair tied in a plait. Hair also we cannot count. It is uncountable. The Taj Mahal is the pride of our country. Pride is also uncountable. So that's why I have underlined. Then comes for the gender of nouns. Gender of nouns, it consists of 4 types. Now let us see. So nouns can be living thing or non-living things, and the living things can be male or a female. Now nouns are classed under 4 gender groups. They are masculine, feminine, common and neuter. In masculine, it consists of man, boy. Yes, in feminine, we'll be saying for girl, woman. Yeah, then common and a neuter. In common, both male and female exist, and in neuter, non-living things exist. Now let us see masculine. Masculine, it denotes males of humans or animals. So for example, boy, king, dog, man, servant, etc. So these comes under masculine gender. What is the feminine gender then? It denotes females of humans or animals. It is called as feminine gender. For example, girl, queen, woman, maid, etc. Now, for the third one, common gender. Common gender is used for both males and females of a specific kind. For example, parent, doctor, teacher, cousin, child, friend. Friend may be a girl or a boy, right? So it comes under common noun. Then comes neuter. Neuter nothing but it denotes non-living things such as pencil, chair, book, knife, toys, etc. I hope you have understood this. Now let us go for the worksheet. First worksheet I have given you related to the kinds of nouns. The purity of the air. I love reading books. A bowl of rice. He is working at hotel. Nana is in the library. So you have to identify which kind of noun it is. Now one more worksheet you have that is related to the gender. So identify the gender nouns. Lady, lawyer, poet, winner, students, bridge, hen, fox. So fox is which type of gender you have to write. Okay. That's all for today. I hope you liked. So keep learning at home and practice. Thank you everyone. Bye bye.